Hey everybody, continuing on with the 17D25. I've got so much video just of this stupid thing, just messing with it, screwing around with it. I've wasted several days with this thing. We'll call it the problem child. This should be the final episode, but this is going to be the problem child, Zenith 17D25. Let me see here. Hang on a second. Check out that shirt, y'all. There's another guy on YouTube that had one, and I'm like, I got to have that. And since he wouldn't tell me where he got it, I did a Google search and found it. If anybody's interested, I'll give y'all the information. But anyway, going back to the Zenith, I've been calling this a 17D25. It's actually a 16D25. So that's a bad on my part. Anyway, I think I've got this thing about as good as it's going to get.
Big ranch, big house, but it's a cold house. It's honorary. It's a black house, and Stewart could feel that. I don't think he felt that way.
Except for that, I just noticed that.
I better be going.
But I got the audio fixed. I've got the buzz and the hum and all that fixed. Boy, was that fun. But basically, after all of this rigmarole, and I can't tell you how, but this adjustment right there of the sound adjustment was off. Don't know how. That's going to be this very last adjustment right there, A12. The alignment says once you get the video alignment done, you just go in here and adjust A10, which is A9 and 10 right here. You adjust these two, then you adjust this one, and then you adjust this one for best maximum smoke, basically. Don't even use a sweep generator on it. You just tune it for best sound. Once I've done that, it got rid of a lot of that. But anyway, it's got plenty of volume now.
I never had a chance to talk to him.
And the reason why I had so much hum and everything in it is it's got a little bit stretched there. Still got to play with the adjustments and all that, and this horizontal over here on the side. I think I know what that is. But the biggest thing is because I'm having to turn the volume all the way up, and when you do that, you're just picking up every little sound that inside this TV, because this thing is not a super elegant design circuitry in this thing. It's kind of got the stuff in the minimum components that it needs to do its job. There are some filters. You could put other filter capacitors and a little bit better filtering and stuff like that in it. Be a lot cleaner, but it does the job how it's designed. But after I did that adjustment, that really worked. So now I guess got to get this thing aligned, adjusted to vertical and horizontal, get that bar off the side, and I'm just going to adjust the horizontal size or horizontal width, and there you go. Alright, now without grabbing something I don't want to grab, scoot it over a little bit. There you go. It's just some kind of noise in this building. Let's turn the volume back up.
I was in love with a boy back in Ohio. I was running away. I guess I was all for the best, but otherwise I never would have met Orion.
This set about made me lose my mind. Turn the light on so we'll see. Anyway, I think I'm done with it. I think it's working now. The filters are good. I'm not going to spend any more time or money on it. It is 65 years old, or no, I'm sorry, let's see, 58. Let me see here. I ain't smart enough to calculate this stuff, and my calculator is gone. It is disappeared. Well, holy crap, Batman, where did my calculator go? Some of this stuff is just super annoying and just not where it's supposed to be. I can't blame nobody else. Anyway, it's 2023 minus 195. I think it's 1958. Yeah, I was right. 65 years old. 65 years old. I think it works pretty daggum good for 65 years old. So I am done with this. I'm going to let it run a little bit more on the bench and make sure it's stable, which it should be. And a little bit of vertical roll. Got a lot of interference in it. That stupid fluorescent lights. But the vertical locks, it locks good. The AGC seems to work. Got good volume. So I'm gonna let it run. I might put it back in the case and let it run a little bit longer, just under heat, but wow. Handful of resistors, a bunch of capacitors, a little bit of tweaking here and there, a little bit of swearing, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. But I think I'm going to call it good. So I appreciate you guys riding along with me, and I think I'm almost at 600 subscribers. So I thank each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart. Some new features coming on the channel here for long, as soon as I sit down long enough and understand how they work. And hopefully we can grow this channel and I can get a little better at videotaping. I guess you could say I'm a lazy videographer. But I need to learn to start editing this stuff in the camera. And like, there's tons of footage on this repair right here. This one and on that, oh, what's that other thing I'm working on? What was that thing I'm working on? Oh, that stupid digital voltmeter. Oh, HP. That thing is just one of the strangest animals I ever worked on. There's a lot of footage. I don't even remember what's all on them. It's going to take me hours to go through it. But anyway, the 16D25 Zenith is done as far as I'm concerned. So thank you guys for riding along. And I will see y'all on the next venture. Bye.